At the moment I am sanding gel coat using my 3M sanding block. My problem was I actually had no idea how to put the sandpaper on the block, and I would bet that I'm not the only one. So first thing I do, get my sandpaper and I'm going to rip it to the width of the block. I have my sandpaper on my block, so now it's time to attach the sandpaper onto the block. To do that, I need to lift up the ends, and that's going to expose the pins in there that actually hold the sandpaper. Get that, lift it, and then once I'm happy with the way it's seated, I'll let go and push down to hold it in. Then fold it around. Do the same thing at the other end. I find the second half is a little trickier to do, but when I'm happy that it's in place, same thing, pinch it, and that's it. The sandpaper is on there. So I'll do a bit of sanding and then I'll show you how to get it back out. My sandpaper is now at the point where I want to change it. So, I keep it simple. All I'm going to do is tear it through the middle there, and then I can unhook it like that. The alternative is you can just rip it and fish the other bit out, but I just find that this is usually a little bit easier. So yeah, that's how you load and unload sandpaper onto one of the 3M sanding blocks.